Aloha YouTube, it's Doc Rick here. It's been a while since I've been online, doing stuff, been pretty busy. But yeah, wanted to do a real quick unboxing of a new flashlight. This is the Thorfire 18650 TK15. So it's the TK15 model, uses the 18650 battery. So with that, just a real quick unboxing. And go ahead and unbox it. Just got it today. I've been doing some research, and in that research, looking at more cost or affordable flashlights, I found this one through a couple of Facebook groups that I belong to, and it interested me. So on Amazon, it was on sale. $16.99. So instruction booklet. There's the flashlight. Comes with 2 extra O-rings, which is always good. And then nothing else in the box, just some padding. So with that, again, this is the Thorfire TK15. Specs on the light is so it takes an 18650 rechargeable. So on the moonlight setting, it's a 0.5 lumen, low is 50, mid is 200, on the high is 600, and the turbo mode and strobe mode is at 1050. Run times are at the turbo mode. Again, at 1050, it's at 45 minutes. On high, 600 lumens is an hour and 25 minutes. 200 mid is 2 hours and 45. On the low, which is 50 lumens, 22 hours. And then the moonlight setting is, again, 0.5, 360 hours. So with that, instruction booklet. But let me get to the flashlight. Here's the flashlight. And as I open it, there you go. Again, this is the Thorfire TK15. My initial impressions is it's actually good quality. It reminds me of the Streamlight ProTac 2 LX. It's not a tail cap, so there's no tail cap here. All of your functions are accessible through the button, the one button. Aluminum. Granulated bezel. It's a smooth reflector, so the throw, from what I've seen on YouTube with other reviewers, is that the throw is pretty decent. So comparisons, where's my Sharpie? There's my Sharpie. So as you compare the two, so there's a comparison with my Sharpie pen. Let me grab another flashlight. Here's the Olight M1X Striker. Another 18650 flashlight. Obviously, it's going to be bigger because look at the bezel on the Olight. So just about the same. Quality is pretty good. Speaking of the Streamlight, here's the Streamlight ProTac 2 LX. And the Streamlight is a little bigger as you compare the two. So with that, let me go ahead and, I think it takes both 18650 and then also the CR123A. Pretty good quality. So let's put in the 18650 first. There's no indicator to say positive or negative, so let's go ahead and try this. It's pretty stiff, so, and then there's also a place to put a little lanyard if you choose to. The clip, pretty difficult to take out, to yank out. you can move it. I'm so used to a tail cap click. So that's the half lumen, 200 lumen. Actually, the last one was 50. This is 200, 600, and then this is the, so let me figure this out. I would assume that that's the half lumen. The 200 mid lumen, 600 high, that's 1050. That should be 1050 turbo. Hold it down to turn it off. Let me see if I double click. Double click as strobe. Single click. Takes me to that half. Let me see if it has a memory. So I left it at turbo, which is the 1050. And it remains at 1050. So wherever you turn it off, so if I leave it at 1050 and I single press to turn it off, I got to hold it down. When I turn it back on, single click, it takes me to that 1050. I must say I'm pretty impressed with this. Build quality is decent. So I probably will, not probably, I'll go ahead and compare this with my other flashlights and then report back. But yeah, there's the unboxing. Again, this is a Thorfire TK15 18650, 1050 lumens. All right. So I'm trying to get to that 100th subscriber. So if you find this or any of my other videos interesting, or you like the content and whatnot, click on like, subscribe. I'll be coming out with more content regarding gear and guns and whatnot. So hopefully you like the information. Thanks for watching. Aloha.